Starting in November, we start installing sanders and plows, inspecting the tire chains and repairing any of those that need to be repaired, checking the snow plow blades, and once again replacing or installing new plow blades on the plows themselves, and any other preparations on the vehicles need to make sure they're operational throughout the plowing season. The city will meet with Snohomish County and also WashDOT, and then we also have a city internal meeting about the preparation for a snow event, as in what routes that we should plow, what type of material and stuff that we're going to use, and the agencies talk throughout snow events to help each other out.